guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, some of our snow is finally melting. We have been dealing with some crazy cold weather the last few weeks, month almost. So we've had snow for quite a while, which is unusual here in Colorado where we are. Normally it kind of comes and goes, but it's stuck around for a bit, but thankfully it's all melting. But now it's really muddy, so that's not very fun. But as you can see, we are working on putting the metal roof on the house. So we've got the fascia, which is the pieces that go along the edge of the roof. And then we also have soffit that goes underneath the overhang of the roof. And then we've got big metal panels that go across the roof. So that's what we're working on right now. We're hoping if we make some good progress, we can finish over the next few days and get the roof all done, which will be pretty great to get that done. And then we can move on to putting on our exterior siding and get the outside of the house pretty much all done, except for the windows we're still waiting on. So making some good progress here and looking forward to being able to work inside with some warmth hopefully soon. So HVAC is actually being installed right now. They're not here today because it's the weekend, but they will be here again this week, and it'll take them about a month to do all of the HVAC for the 2 levels and get that all installed. So that is going on as well while we finish up the roof and get going on our rough electrical and rough plumbing inside after that. So looking forward to having some inside work. Especially since it's been so cold lately. But it's a pretty nice day today, and so it should be a good day to work on the roof. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on our DIY custom home. And thanks for watching, guys.